Now we will use flash fill to work with dates. We want to extract only dates from column A. Type 1 in cell B4. Hit enter. Press Ctrl E. Flash fill has extracted all the dates correctly. Then we will extract months. Type August in cell C4. Hit enter. Press Ctrl E. Flash fill has extracted months from column A. We will use flash fill to extract years now. Type 1979 in cell D4. Hit enter. Press Ctrl E. Flash fill has extracted all the years. This time we will extract both date and month. Type 1st August in cell E4. Hit enter. Press Ctrl E. Flash fill has extracted all dates and months.